Caution before assembling. Please do not fully fasten all the screws unless you have completely assembled the product. Follow the steps. Fasten each screw by 90%. Then adjust the balance of chair by sitting on it. Finally, fasten all the screws fully. Please put the chair on flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Fix B to A with 6 screws E and 6 spring washers F, 6 washers G. Insert chair leg C to seat B. Fix C to B with 4 screws E, 4 spring washers F and 4 washers G. Adjust the balance of chair by sitting. Tighten the screws fully. Attach the fabric to close the chair bottom.